Hey folks, this might be one of the best videos that you clicked on my channel so far, because when the market's volatile and stocks are near all-time highs, nobody knows really which way the things are going to go. It's very speculative. This is exactly a perfect time to sell cover calls, because it's really worth paying attention to. This strategy has helped my portfolios just do much better and sustain in all kinds of different markets, okay, particularly ones that are even make money while you're moving down. Okay, if you have 100 shares of any stock already, you can sit here and sell a call against the positions if it's choppy. Now, this can be a great way you're going to generate some income while you would not have otherwise. Here's the problem, though. A lot of people sell cover calls the wrong way. Okay, they look at the premium first. Okay, the premiums can be very attractive when you're sitting there looking at the chain. You see that you can collect, but you forget to ask the most important question. Am I actually okay selling these shares at the strike price that I'm looking at? It's one of the main things. Now, Hop Sauce coming at you here. The reason why I'm making this video is that cover calls can be a great way to generate income for stocks that you already own, but they're not risk-free, okay? And nothing's automatic. A high premium doesn't automatically mean it's a good trade. You still need to understand what you're going to do. When you sell a cover call, you are selling someone else the right to buy your shares at a certain price, okay? That's that strike price. So before you sell, you need to know exactly what could happen. Now, that is why I created a free cover call checklist. Simple checklist designed to help you walk through the trade before you click sell. Okay, it helps you slow down, check the basis before emotion takes over, because when you're trading, especially with options, okay, it adds a whole nother dynamic to the discussion. You have a process that you must follow. You don't want to sit there and guess. You do not want to chase premiums, and this is partly what this checklist is doing for you. Okay, you do want to know why you're making the trade. Okay, now what my checklist covers, and it's very specific. What stock am I using? Is a question you have to ask yourself. How many shares? What's the average cost? Okay, these are the kind of things that are on there. Let me just show you the what this form looks like here. Now, like I said, it's a freebie. All you got to do, if you click the link for the form or you enter your email, here's what it looks like right here. Just put your email in right there. I'll send you the free form. The form looks something like this. Actually, this is the form. Okay, and so it's a 3-step process. I spent a lot of time putting this together. Some people ask me, what's the risk of doing the cover call trades? Well, it can cap your upside. That is the risk. But guess what? I like to win. This is a higher percentage of wins for me personally. That's why I'm sharing it with you today. So if you sell a call and the stock takes off, you may have to sell your shares at a higher strike price. Okay, there's a whole nother system of, it's called rolling it up. Okay, if you get into that, it's not a bad thing though. Sometimes it's exactly what we want. It's just a safer way to go. Goal is not to collect the biggest premium. The goal is to make smarter, more disciplined trades, right? Okay, that's why I like using my checklist here. So it gives me, it's a repeatable process, basically, using the checklist. So if you just click the checklist link below, a little window, that window pops up. You put your email in there, and I'll send it over to you. Simple as that. I want it to be useful. Okay, for people who are learning covered calls and want a basic process before you place the trade. So, hey, people, before you sell your next cover call, grab this free checklist using the link in the description right there. Like I said, put your email in there or scan the QR code that I'll put up on the screen. If you're learning cover call, this is exactly the kind of process you want to build upon your knowledge. Okay, it helps you slow down. You get to check the trade. You know your risk. I wish I would have had this when I first started out. When I first started selling calls, I mean, I would just pretty much randomly pick almost any stock that was within my price range. So, okay, so and if you want more videos on these cover calls, options income and managing trades in real time, make sure you hit that sub and give me that thumbs up. I'm going to keep it coming depending on how what the feedback is and stuff like that, but I'll keep showing you how I think through these trades step by step. And believe me, I'm winning currently. Good luck with your trading out there. Thanks for checking in, everybody. Hop Sauce signing off. We'll check in tomorrow. There's some crazy stuff going on in the markets right now, crypto and stock market, which they are both, listen, they go hand in hand. I know there's a lot of people on this channel that like crypto more than I started this channel as crypto. I love crypto, but stock market and crypto go hand in hand. It's all about this money rotation. Thanks for checking in, everybody. We'll see you next time. I'll let you know if something pops off. All right, peace out.